This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make fluffy cupcakes. Achieving that perfect light and airy texture starts with a few key steps. First, ensure all your ingredients, especially butter and eggs, are at room temperature. This helps them combine smoothly. Next, always sift your dry ingredients like flour and baking powder. This simple step aerates them and prevents any unwanted lumps in your batter, contributing to a finer crumb. Proper mixing is crucial for fluffy cupcakes. Begin by creaming softened butter and granulated sugar together for about 3 to 5 minutes until the mixture is pale and airy. This incorporates essential air. Then, add your eggs one by one, ensuring each is fully combined before adding the next. Finally, alternate adding your sifted dry ingredients with your liquid ingredients, always starting and ending with the dry mixture. Mix just until combined. Now, let's talk about baking. Fill your cupcake liners approximately 2/3 full. This allows enough space for them to rise beautifully without overflowing. Bake them in a preheated oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 18 to 22 minutes. You can check for doneness by gently pressing the top. It should spring back. Once baked, immediately transfer them to a wire rack to cool completely. This prevents sogginess. Finally, for the perfect finish, ensure your cupcakes are completely cool before applying any frosting. Warm cupcakes will cause your frosting to melt and slide off. For a professional look, use a piping bag with your favorite decorative tip. When it comes to storage, unfrosted cupcakes can be kept in an airtight container at room temperature for up to 3 days. Frosted cupcakes are best enjoyed within 1 to 2 days.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.